Add 100 grams of dried glass noodles to a pot with boiling water. They are ready when they are fully transparent. Stir fry a handful of garlic and half a Napa cabbage that has been cut in small pieces. Add a tablespoon of Put it aside when it's cooked. Stir fry the shrimp with thinly cut onions. Stir fry the pieces of chicken breast with thinly cut onions. Add the thinly cut carrot, tofu sheets, and scallions. Add a swirl of soy sauce. Add a tablespoon of salt. Mix all the prepared ingredients together except for the shrimp and half of the noodles and Napa cabbage. Add warm water to a white plate. Submerge the brown rice paper in the water for a few seconds and place it on another plate. Place the chicken noodles in the center. Fold the brown rice paper in a tight summer roll. Now let's make the shrimp roll. Add a handful of rocket lettuce, a boiled carrot, a little bit of the unseasoned glass noodles, and also set aside Napa cabbage. As dipping sauce, I used leftover bibinguksu sauce that I made in a previous video.